If you're paying $500 a month for software subscriptions, you're overpaying. Here's the free AI stack that replaces all of it, updated for 2026. Let's go tool by tool. First, writing and content. Instead of Jasper or Copy.ai at $49 to $99 a month, use ChatGPT free or Claude free. Same quality output, zero cost. Second, image creation. Instead of Canva Pro at $13 a month or Midjourney at $30 a month, use Adobe Firefly free tier and DALL-E inside ChatGPT. More than enough for most creators. Third, video editing and generation. Instead of CapCut Pro or Runway ML at $15 to $40 a month, use DaVinci Resolve free plus free tier access on Pika Labs or Kling AI. Fourth, automation. Instead of Zapier at $20 to $70 a month, use Make.com's free tier, 1,000 operations monthly at no cost. Fifth, analytics and research. Instead of SEMrush at $120 a month, use Google Search Console plus Perplexity AI free. You'll get 80% of the insights for nothing. Sixth, project management. Instead of Notion Plus or Monday.com, use Notion free plus AI features or ClickUp free with built-in AI. Total monthly cost of this stack, zero. Total monthly value replaced, over $500. The myth is that paid tools are better. The truth is that free tiers have gotten so good that most creators and small businesses don't need to upgrade. Start with free. Upgrade only if you hit actual limits, not imaginary ones. Follow for more. Everything is at TheNewMind.pplx.app.